everyone, it's Rachel from Sweet and Simple Home, and today I am kicking off my Create Something for Christmas series. Every Monday in the month of November, I'm going to be sharing with you a little DIY or decorating project, all for the Christmas holiday. So these are kinds of crafts that are really simple to do that you can do in front of your favorite Christmas movie with a cup of cocoa or tea nearby, and they're made from old clothes. So for these DIYs, I'm using an old sweater and some old flannel pajama bottoms. I love making my home beautiful little by little. If you love that too, especially at the holidays, I hope you'll hit that red subscribe button and come back every Monday in November to watch my Creating Things for Christmas videos. When I was decluttering recently, my husband decided to get rid of a couple pairs of these like flannel pajama pants that he had, and I thought, those are kind of Christmassy looking. I bet I could make something out of them. So that's what I'm doing today, as well as using up more of this 25-cent sweater I got at a yard sale this summer. You see, it's pretty cut up because I used it to make a cute pumpkin and a pillow for my couch, and I'll link to that video up here. From the sweater, all you have to do is cut out a very simple heart shape. You can print out a template from online, just print out a simple heart template, but I just kind of eyeballed it and it worked out fine. Once you've cut out two little heart pieces, you don't even have to worry about flipping them inside out for this DIY. You're going to take whatever color of embroidery floss you like, and you're just going to do a really simple, basic in and out type stitch around the edge of the heart, leaving a little bit of an edge to it. Before you stick the fluff in, it's wonderful if you can put just a couple drops of your favorite essential oils. I use Simply Earth essential oils, and I chose cinnamon. To tie off the embroidery floss, I just looped back through one of the stitches I did and pulled it tight, and that gave it a nice knot without looking too bulky. Now you could leave the heart simply like this. It's so sweet looking, and you could use this as a sachet, but I wanted to turn this into an ornament or a gift topper, so all I did was string some embroidery floss that matched through the top and tie it off, and now it just can hang nicely from a Christmas tree or from a Christmas package. And so I just love how this turned out. I think it smells so wonderfully like Christmas, and this is going to make a wonderful addition to our tree. So with the old flannels, you could definitely do some more of those little stuffed hearts and put them on your tree, but I thought it would be great to make a wreath. I picked up one of these just really basic wire wreath forms at the Dollar Tree, and the only other supplies you need for this DIY are some really good scissors. This is a DIY I love doing because I can just sit and watch a Christmas movie or some of my favorite YouTube channels and just mindlessly go through this task. I first just did a little snip into the bottom of the pants and then ripped, and that just helps you move quickly through the fabric to create those strips. And as I was making these long strips of the flannel fabric, I paused for a moment and thought, oh my goodness, this would make such a great wrapping ribbon. Don't you think this would make such a cute ribbon on like a brown wrapped package? You can find that brown craft paper even at the Dollar Tree. That would be such a cozy chic look for literally pennies. So once I had my strips cut, I then cut my strips into about 5 to 6 inch pieces. One pant leg made about this much. So all this is tying basic knots. I like to mix up what kind of knot I use. So if you just do a simple basic knot where you just loop one under and pull, the fabric spreads out more. And if you just want to do a simple loop type knot where you make the loop and then pull the ends through, that makes the fabric kind of stay in the same place and you can pull the ends to separate it more. So I like to kind of vary it up. I do some just straight tied and I do some with the loops just to give it a little bit of variety, and you just go all around tying knots with those little strips of fabric. Then I alternated to the plaid fabric on the next string, and then the buffalo check on the next string, and the final ring was the plaid fabric again. I am so amazed at how this turned out, and to think that it was made from old pajama bottoms. Can you even believe it? So here's a bonus idea for you guys. You can take the pockets from the pajama bottoms, turn them inside out, and all of a sudden you have a really cute little gift bag. You can use the drawstrings from the pajamas to give it a little bow or use some twine, and you've got a really cute little gift bag. From old clothes, you've got an ornament, a wreath, and a couple gift bags. I hope you guys enjoyed these ideas. If you try any of these, tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see what you guys make. Take care, everyone. Happy creating, and I'll be back with more soon. Bye.